So let's begin with that first question. Will repair activity actually be lower with electric vehicles? We'll start looking at the first 3 months. Those are costs incurred the first 3 months after the vehicle is sold and on the road. And so shown here is total cost per vehicle, as I just defined on this earlier chart, of fully plug-in EVs compared to gas models, looking at across multiple model years that you can see. But one thing to note, you can see on both, regardless of the fuel type, that the costs are rising. So we're seeing that inflation happen across all of our vehicles right now. But what you also see is that at 3 months, even early on, cost per vehicle is 3 times higher on EVs than on gas models, regardless of the model year. Fast forwarding again and looking at the first 3 years in service, here we start to see an interesting trend. So by the time the EV has been on the road for 3 years, costs have about leveled out with their gas counterparts, with EVs at a similar, and in some years, at a lower cost than their gas counterparts.